Hey guys, it's Payel here. Welcome back to my channel. We are in the month of February and this month we have Valentine's Day. So this month we are going to have a lot of fun. So today I am going to review this Maybelline New York The City Mini Palette. I have got the shade Urban Jungle. So Maybelline New York has come up with 4 different types of eyeshadow palettes having different colors and different finishes in it. So they have already launched those palettes in the international market. They are available now in India also. The eyeshadow palettes are this one. This is the Urban Jungle. So then we have Rooftop Bronzes. Then we have Graffiti Pop. Then we have Chill Brunch Neutrals. So these all eyeshadow palettes I have in the Maybelline store at one of the at the Central Mall. I have tried all the eyeshadows in the store, and each of this palette retails about 750 rupees. It contains 6.1 gram of the product. So if you see my face, I am not wearing any eyeshadow or highlighter in my face. So I'm going to use this palette and show how to add shine in your face, how you can use this palette to apply eyeshadow and also highlight your face. This is the palette looks. This is how the palette looks. It contains 6 eyeshadows and this is the theme for this palette, and backside also you have a picture and it's telling about the theme, the jungle, urban jungle theme. And this is how the palette looks. So this is smaller than the earlier eyeshadow palette, the nudes palette. They are quite travel friendly, and in the back side of the eyeshadow palette you have the instructions how to use the quads, trios and duos. So initially when I started looking all these instructions and apply it on my eyes. This is the palette and it comes with a applicator. So if we are talking about this eyeshadows, they have different finish for different eyeshadow colors. So even each palette has different finish. So if you are buying one of these palettes, I prefer you to swatch all of the eyeshadows in your hand and check like what is the finish you are looking for. Talking about the colors I am having in this Urban Jungle palette. So the first one is this one, the white one. It's a pearl finish, shimmery. It has very finely grilled shimmer in it. So this can be used as a highlighter also. The next one is this dark olive green eyeshadow with satin shimmer finish. Now the silver does not have any color in it. Once you apply this and blend it, the silver one does not have any color under this. But this olive green shimmery one, this has color. Like once you apply it on your lids and blend the edges of the eyeshadow, it's going to give a color, very dark green color it is going to give. So once you apply this on your lids, it's going to give a transition on your eyelids. The next one is this black. This is a matte one. This does not have any kind of shimmer. So this is also not patchy. It's very highly pigmented and it blends very nicely on your eyes. Now the next one is this one. It's a very greenish gray color eyeshadow. Basically it is very dark gray color eyeshadow. It has also shimmer in it. So the shimmer quantity is less in it. It is not very much shimmery. Like it is highly pigmented powder, and on top of it you have finely grilled shimmer in it. So the next one is this one. This is the rose gold color eyeshadow. This is also has finely grilled eyeshadow. This is also pearl finish eyeshadow. So this can be used as a highlighter for deeper skin tone. Now the last one is this one. This is a golden color eyeshadow. This is also can be used as a eyeshadow and highlighter for deeper skin tone. So this is a very good option, and this is going to give a golden glow to your face. So now I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on my eyelids. So I'm going to take this green color and apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. Next I'm going to take this white shimmery color and apply it on the front portion of my eyelid. Same thing I'm going to do for my other eye also. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone and face also. Now taking this white color, I'm going to highlight my face. So the more I'm digging this palette now, I find like this golden color also, it is a gray color. There is some pigment on top of it. It is not so much pigmented. It has a gray color, and on top of it you have this golden color shimmer. But the white one, I've used a lot of it. I did not find any kind. So these are all my final thoughts. I'll be using this palette and let you guys know like how is the review of the product and all. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It encourages me a lot, and comment below what else you want to watch for next video. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.